One day, in a jungle, the lives of the animals are disturbed by the arrival of the bulldozers.
The day the bulldozers came, looks were weeping. Crazy as baskets in the oaks. Green flies scissored by the pond. And the pearl-eyed toad waited for them. The day the bulldozers came, squirrels were scattering up tree trunks. And leaves from branches that were hardly there. The fox still in his sleep. As the ground trembled. Ha ha, he thought. I'm quite safe. Deep down in the earth, no one can get me here. Then the bulldozers came.